Hey everybody, I just wanted to record a quick video to show you how to do the Google Docs assignment this week. To get to Google Docs, just go into any web browser and in the address bar, type in docs.google.com, hit enter, and you'll be taken to this page. Now this page is where you will log into Google Docs using your Google account. You already have a Google account because you used one to create your blog in Blogger. So just type in the exact same email and password that you use for Blogger. I'm going to pause this video so you don't see me typing in my password. Maybe it's just that counter keeps going even though it's actually paused. All right, now once you've typed in your password, go ahead and type or click sign in, and you'll be taken to Google Docs. Now, I've already got a couple docs in here, but your page will probably just be a bunch of advertisements. To actually see your Google Docs, you have to create one first, and you do that using this create button over here on the side. So when you click create, you'll have the ability to create a folder, a document, which is kind of like Microsoft Word, a presentation, which is like something you would do in PowerPoint, spreadsheet, very similar to Excel, a form, which is actually something different that you wouldn't normally be able to do in Microsoft Office, but it can be used to create polls and things like that, or a drawing, some sort of free-form shape that you want to create. For right now, we'll just go ahead and create a document. And so you'll see in a new tab, we've got this new document that we can start typing into. And I can type hello, etc., etc. Now, if I want to, I could actually share this document by clicking on the share button over here. It would like me to name the document first, so I will just say test, save, and then I can actually add people's email addresses here and share my document with them. Now, to show you what that kind of looks like, I've actually already created and shared a document with someone, and so I'm going to click into Google Docs. And so this is sort of my own document. I can type whatever I want into. And you can actually even see up here in the corner, there's one other viewer to this document. So I can type in something like, hello, this is my group project for chemistry. And the other person who is located at their home or wherever can actually type into the document as well. And I can see in real time them making the change. And in fact, I can even type while they're typing. So you can actually edit a document together at the exact same time. Really, really helpful, so you don't actually have to meet in the library after school or whatnot to do group work. Now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that and show you what you have to do for your assignment this week. Play around with Google Docs, use some of the features, kind of get familiar with them, and then go back into Blackboard and click on that link that says, to share the document or whatever. Click on this link. It will take you to this presentation. So presentation is a lot like a PowerPoint folder. And of course, I chose the Trek style for this. But the idea is use this little plus button over here to create a new slide in the document. Now, this created the wrong slide for me, so I'm kind of glad it did that. I can instead, that was a right click, delete that slide, because I don't actually need it. And instead, I can click on the little arrow next to that plus. There's actually a bunch of different types of slides that you can create in a presentation. I'm going to choose title and body. And so then it's got little placeholders where I can add text. What I want you to do is to create your name here, and then type a response, anything you want. after having played with Google Docs, tell me, how do you like it? Do you think you could actually use it in your own classes, in your own life? Do you think it's a suitable replacement for Microsoft Office? Remember, unlike Microsoft Office, this is free. So, you know, that's always a great argument. Um, you can also add an image using the little add an image button here. Change the style, whatever you want, but just make sure you've got a response and your name on your own slide. And please don't edit other people's slides. That's not nice. I can actually see the history of this document and pull up different revisions so I can see who made the change and actually see that somebody did create their own slide at some point. This is my example here. And so I added an image of myself and I made a little statement here and got my name on it. And so that's how you'll get credit for this exercise. Just add a slide, and then once you've added a slide, put in your name, and then create a little response. Just telling me about Google Docs and how you think you might be able to use it, or what you think about it in general. That's all. Hopefully you'll get it done this week, and I'll see you in class or online.